Hi, I'm Donna. We are making stuffed pasta shells, and we are stuffing them with ground beef, Italian sausage, ricotta cheese, and spinach. So this is the class I have right now. This is Jonas and Jacob. So they're my little helpers today, and then we have the rest of the staff for giving it a whirl. So what we did is we boiled salted water. You want the water salted, like it almost tastes like the ocean if you tasted the ocean. And we have our sausage and our hamburger meat right now. They're frying up, and we're trying to make it as crumbly and small as possible to fit into our little shells. Say hi, Jonas. Hi.
Hello.
Introduce yourself.
Oh, came to see the man at work, eh? My name's Mel, by the way. Health promoter / personal trainer. That's me. Oh, just still talking. We don't want to hear you talk. We just want to see you cook. Yeah.
What's Cedric? It's Cedric over here.
Cedric, get in here. You gotta introduce yourself. You're the wingman.
Hello, I'm Cedric, one of the community kitchen chef. I am Donna's second hand.
Good.
You mess with Donna, you mess with him. It smells so good, holy.
Hi! We're making stuffed pastas.
Introduce yourself. Look at this.
This is me, David. We're one of the health promoters in Îethka.
Nice and crispy. Not crispy, but cooked.
Nice and crispy.
Nice and crispy, but
So what I'm doing now is I'm running cold water on this because we're going to stop them from cooking. If I were to leave them like that, the hot water that's on them would keep them cooking and they would go mushy.
Oh, really?
So if you want them to keep that shape, you got to run cold water on them, and it'll completely bring the temperature down and they'll stop cooking.
Okay.
Like so. And then you're going to roll them.
What?
Like so.
Oh, is it?
It is. And voila, nice chopped spinach.
Oh, that's cool.
There you go. Pretty good. All right, guys, want to try? Wash your hands, yep. There you go, yeah. Keep going, we need a big pile of that. Okay, so we're going to put the spinach, the ricotta, the eggs, and the mozzarella.
All in one?
Yeah.
There goes the eggs.
Yeah, that'll be fine.
I need a little spoony spoon for the...
Did you cut yourself again? No, I caught it. Oh, okay.
Can I take half the spinach out or no?
Tell me a story.
It's my first time making this. First time trying ricotta.
All right, you're so cute. Okay.
What is this?
This is your garlic powder. Okay, let's mix that in. You want to? Yeah. How does it smell? Take a smell of it.
Smells good.
Okay, boys, stir that up. 'cause you guys, oh. Oh, yeah, okay. Okay, I'm coming over with your seasoning. Okay, so mix your filling really well. Hold up your shell, and with a spoon, you're gonna spoon the mixture right into your shell, and then you're gonna line them up nicely in your glass dish. Okay. But before you put them in there, you're gonna open this up, and you're gonna coat the bottom with sauce, just like we did with the lasagna.
Does it matter how you place them or no?
Just put them in nice even rows going across. Okay, boys, I'm gonna show you one. I'm gonna let you two do it, okay? So you're gonna open them up like this. Take your filling. You're gonna stuff them. Yeah. Okay, and then you're gonna put them in their own little bin.
Oh, definitely.
Okay, I'm gonna give you those. Okay, keep making. Yeah, so you're gonna pour your sauce all over the top like that, and then you're gonna take your rest of your mozzarella cheese and you're gonna cover the top. And then you're gonna throw them in the oven. Okay. Alright. No, two more.
Just finish them off with?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Get it in there. Stop burning this up. And then you put this in the sink. Yeah. All right, half an hour, guys.
Alright, done already?
Yep.
Damn, son. So good.
What side?
I hear you.
Go on.
I hear you. All right, there you go, guys. Just let it cool down before you dig in.
Just take a bite.
Alright, so the pan here. I'll take this one.
Cheese. You like that side?
Your cheese bake.
You want Parmesan on this?
Put some cheese on
Put some cheese on.
Not a lot of food.
That's enough.
There's a lot of them. Yeah, open up the other side.
Yeah, I had to cut it. Cut.